Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Candy Crush Saga. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you're wondering how to withdraw on this game or on this app, there isn't actually a possible feature or way to do this. So in the King community, directly earning cash by playing Candy Crush isn't actually possible since the game itself doesn't offer real money as rewards for playing. However, if you do still want to earn something like cash, there are indirect ways to monetize your love for crushing candies, which is one of the approaches being participation in real-life tournaments or contests that occasionally pop up online. So these that offer cash prizes for top Candy Crush players. Additionally, some players do create content or tutorials on how to beat tough levels, which can generate income through ad revenue on platforms like YouTube. So if you want to go ahead and earn something from playing Candy Crush, those are one of the ways to actually gain something if this is the, procedure you want to do. But again, you can't actually withdraw money on this app because they don't actually offer real money as a reward for playing. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.